friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of stock market. So again, I'm here with the index weekly update for Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank. So I'll discuss the Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank level for coming week. So stay connected to that and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for regular index up- update and stock in news buying level for the investment. So let's quickly start the video. I am quickly going to the Nifty 50 chart and you can see the chart. Now what is happening in the Nifty 50? Nifty 50 from here never looked back and see it was going only up and up, means it was in totally uptrend and it was going forward only, upward only. Even one single day it did not came or fell back. It was going in upside, it was in upside. But here, which was its all time high, which was is 25,000. If I say the exact number, the 25,333, 25,333 around. It took its all time, touched its all time high, and from there it took actually reversal. It took a resistance, faced resistance. Or from here, the next day it was consolidating on the same level, no movement, and from there again same level, 25,333, 320 around. It started falling back to the this level, which is 20 ma. The 20 ma को भी last Friday it has actually crossed. I say is, you can see here, this has crossed this broken this 20 ma level. So this is not actually good sign. It has broken this. If it is taking reversal and going back, then it's okay. But if next week it is going more down, then it may touch this 50 ma level also, which is 24,490, means I will say the rounding figure, which is 24,500 around. 24,500 can be the next level. It may take a support. Friday was actually not that good for the stock market. It was not a good sign. On Friday, it was not a good sign. It was a big candle and even crossed the 20 ma also. So, if I say what was the amount of falling, it was actually more than 1%, 1.17%. If I say it has fallen on only Friday, only one day, single day. One more than 1% is not a good sign for the stock market. So I can see some fall more till here, till 50 ma. I'm not jumping beyond that because it is short term, only week prediction. So I will see next week if it is breaking this support also. So what happens? But abhi the major support is, crucial support is 24,500 again, and this can be a good support level. Who wants to invest in a fundamentally strong stock, they can start their buy on dips or with the small quantity or even their first chunk. So this is a very good support level for the investment. I'm not talking about trading के लिए. Yes, we have to watch this level, crucial level, which, if I see this 24,800, yes, exact 24,800 around, this can be a very good support, first support. But it looks it is actually Nifty 50 is breaking this. It looks I don't know actually what happens next week, but yes, I can predict only, and I can see according to the candle, it may break this 24,800 level in next week. If it's breaking, yes, definitely you be ready for this level. So this can be a good trading range for the next week for the trader, which is Nifty 50 trading area, support 24,500, and resistance 25,333. बट यस, जो बीच का भी सपोर्ट है उसे भी याद रखना है, जो कि ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट सपोर्ट है, विच इज 24,800. नेक्स्ट डे, इवन ऑन मंडे, वी हैव टू सी what is happening at this crucial level. Now let's jump to the Nifty Bank chart. And in Nifty Bank, same thing happening, but Nifty Bank is looking more weaker than Nifty 50. निफ्टी 50 का RSI भी थोड़ा सा ओवरसोल्ड हो गया है, तो वी हैव टू चेक दैट ऑल्सो. यू कैन गो थ्रू चार्ट इन डिटेल. एंड निफ्टी बैंक में यू कैन सी दिस बोथ 20 MA and 50 MA is actually overlapping and at the near, मतलब mostly at the same level, which is 50,900 around. 50,900 was a very good support, which I have given in my last video also. But this support has been broken on Friday. Even on Friday, it was also a very it was also a very big fall. You can see this candle from here, it was also upward, and here 51,700 around, it has taken resistance, which was actually exact, I will say, so 51,750. From 51,750, it has moved back to the downside, which is actually 49,700. 49,700 was my very important support. Since many week I am giving this level only. Here also it has respected, here also it has respected, here means it is very crucial and very strong support also, 49,700. And yes, let's see what happens. It is going till here again or not. If it's going, it is really a very good support for the investment. Who wants to invest in the good banking stock, they can invest and start buying here for banking stock from here. Good banking stock, fundamentally strong banking stock here only, which is 49,700. So this has also broken both moving average, which is 20 MA also, and 50 MA also. Both the moving average has been broken here on Friday only, and this is also very negative sign for the banking stock also. So it is also looking very means negative. So it is also looking very means negative, banking sector, Nifty Bank also. So trading range can be support 49,700 and resistance 51,750 for the next week. So this was a very short and small picture of this Nifty and index level for coming week. I will repeat again the levels. Nifty 50 level 24,500 support and 25,333 is resistance, and the Nifty Bank level 49,700 is support and the resistance 51,750 for coming week, next week. So this was short Nifty analysis. And one important news also, that Bajaj Housing Finance IPO is coming in next week. IPO is opening on 9th September to 11th September. So you can apply on 9th, 10th, 11th, and you can go through the detail of this IPO, and you can check the GMP and subscription and all. And if you want, you can apply for this. So this was important actually update for the next week, for this important and actually demanding IPO, I can say. And yes, this is from my side, and like and share the video and subscribe the channel also for index level update and stock and news. Signing off.